Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum soup with paste only way. Start by gathering paste, shrimp or chicken, mushrooms, lime, fish sauce, and chili oil. Heat 1 liter of stock, dissolve 2 tablespoon paste, then add aromatics, protein, and mushrooms. Simmer briefly to avoid overcooking shrimp. Finish with 1 tablespoon fish sauce and juice from 1 lime, tasting for balance and adjusting heat or salt to preference. Warm a pan with a little oil, then bloom 2 tablespoon tom yum paste for oxygen release and deeper flavor, stirring for 30 seconds. Pour in 1 liter of stock and bring to a gentle simmer. Add mushrooms and protein, cooking until just done to preserve texture. Finish with fish sauce and lime juice, taste, and tweak with chili oil for heat or a pinch of sugar if needed for harmony. When the soup is nearly done, remove from heat before adding herbs to keep their fragrance fresh and vibrant. Toss in chopped cilantro and thinly sliced chili, then let the residual heat marry flavors for a minute. Always serve tom yum in warmed bowls to maintain temperature and aroma. Offer extra lime wedges and fish sauce at the table so diners can personalize sourness and salt intensity to their liking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.